What's happening, guys? This is Aaron from Oklahoma Fishing and Adventure. Today we got another adventure. Me and my buddy from 918 Fishing is going to go head back out to the lower Illinois, and we got to get some redemption. I mean, we didn't catch anything last time. We had a great time, but didn't catch anything, and that can't happen. So we're going to go back out, try to do our best, see what we can do. Peter isn't going to make it, so that's why it's just going to be me and but we're going to go see what happens. It's going to be overcast like this most of the day, 60 degrees, so not bad, but they are running water. So let's see what we're in for. Oh, yep. All right, everyone, fish on. I think it's a sandy. No, crappie. I think it's a crappie. Yep. All right, everyone, there we go. Hooked them right in the roof of the mouth, just where you want it. Just like that. All right, guys. We're gonna go ahead and put this guy back. And he's gone. Well, guys, not exactly what we're trying for, and sorry for the audio. My plug came undone. But a fish on the fly rod is a fish on the fly rod. I will take that. Oh, there we go. Second cast. I caught one out of this hole, came back, immediately hooked the second one. Baby Sandy. There we go, guys. I literally cast in there, caught that crappie, returned him, and then went back, first cast, caught this little guy. Isn't that right? Yeah. All right. Let that guy go too. He was way too small to keep. All right, everyone. We've been doing pretty good. The guy's over there, he's caught two. I just caught two just a few minutes ago, so I'm gonna set up this camera and let's see if we can catch us something else. Oh yeah, fish on. I'm the champion, guys. Yeah, I may have caught another sand bass. Ain't got nothing on me. I caught a shad. Pro move. I'm gonna fish with the shad. Think it'll work? Think it'll work? Do it. Oh, it's right where it is. Oh, it's got the bubble. Oh, I want it. Fish on. Oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my God, he broke me off. What I told you. I was definitely a striper. Oh my God, guys. I caught a shad, tied it onto my fly, or left him on the fly, cast it back out there, hooked a big fish, and he broke me off. Fish on. Got it? Yep. All right. Run back. Well, haven't seen it yet. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, yeah? Look out. Look out. Dead, yeah. That's alright, I set up the stationary. Look at this. He still ain't done. I need your help. Big. Big for any of them we caught here. There we go. Holy smokes, guys. That was awesome. That dude right there. I get it. That's not a lake giant. But when you're in this current and you're catching them with a fly rod, that was pretty epic. Had a real good hook set. Top of the mouth. Matter of fact, it doesn't want to come out. There. Let's get a release on this guy. That was a huge fight. Well, guys, there we are. We finished our day. Ended up having a great time. I'm gonna kind of show you what we did. What I did different this time from last time, if you remember, I was having all kinds of problems breaking off last time, so I never really got a chance to catch a fish because most of the time I was just breaking off. So I configured things a little differently this time. Last time I only had about a 3-4 foot leader. This time I've got a 8 foot leader. Still using the strike indicator, but the strike indicator, as you can see, is way up at the actual tie point of the line. So what I've done is I knew we were going to have a little more current, and I think what a lot of my problem was last time is I didn't have a long enough leader, and where the strike indicator was, with the current flowing, that real light lure is going to stay up in the water column. By going with a longer leader, it's going to allow it to sink down. Now last time we were throwing black. This time we were throwing a little gray and white. We'll see if we can get that. Just a little woolly booger. This, I believe, there we go, is a 1/64th. This guy is a little bitty guy. And when it's wet, I mean, I don't really know how the fish were finding it, but they were. And even the big fish liked it. I mean, I caught that one decent sized sandy, especially for the river there, all on this same setup. Wasn't doing anything special, but the key was anywhere there was a current break. So they were running water, and in the video, if you look at the far edge, you're going to see just current just getting it. Well, what we were doing is we were trying to get just on the edge. We were right below the low water dam, so if you're familiar with the area, we were just downriver from the low water dam, and as the water was rushing out on this way, that created a little eddy that kind of spun around. So we were just casting out to the edge of the current and then just letting our woolly booger just float down. This one, a lot of times, if you watch where I was fishing, I really let the lure sit. I didn't force it to him, I didn't anything. I cast it out there and I just let it just drift down. But what we did notice is the fish, with the high current like this, the fish came in cycles. We would have literally back-to-back casts where we caught fish, and then we'd go 20-30 minutes without getting a bite. And so there was at least 3 or 4 cycles that we saw of the fish moving around. So the key to take away from this is if they're not running more than 2,500 cubic feet a second, it is fishable, even with the fly rod. You'll probably have more success throwing a small spoon or something like that on, say, an open face reel, but don't rule out the fly rod even if they're running a little bit of water. Anyway, I hope this helps. I hope it gives you some ideas if you were wanting to go down to the area and give it a shot yourself. I mean, you saw this works. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for hitting the subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.